Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I will show you how to make a 3D printed fluorescent sticker for your car. So we will not waste your time. Let's start the project. So friend, this type of fluorescent sticker was there in my car and I will convert it to 3D printed sticker like this one. So let's see how I have built it. So first of all, I have made design in 3D. So you can do this type of design in Blender or SketchUp, and after that you have to make a print. So I have basically made 4 number of this type of printing, and one is the mirror image of the another one. So you can see I have made 2 printing at a time. One is the mirror image of the first one, because one will be installed in the right side, another will be installed in the left side. So after that I have cut these black stickers and glued it with the front frame. So by this way you can see you could able to make this type of fluorescent sticker for your car. So, and this type of fluorescent sticker will glow in night. You can see I have made 2 at a time, and you can see in blue color this type of fluorescent sticker basically glows. So friend, by this way you can easily able to make this type of fluorescent sticker for your car, and 2 number of cost is about 400 rupees. So it is better to 3D print this type of sticker and save money. So let's see how it looks after installation in my car. So friend, you can see it is looking pretty amazing, and it cost only 50 rupees, 4 numbers. So friends, I think all of you have liked this video, so please subscribe S&D Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you. Help me to increase my subscriber. Thank you.